Welcome back to the Ari and Bart show, and today we're going to teach you guys how to do an all-purpose cleaner. Ari, tell them about it.
Like he said, it's an all-purpose cleaner. It's super easy to make, and I use this at home every day.
So stand by.
All right, welcome back, guys. So for the all-purpose cleaner recipe, you're going to...
Wait, before anything, I just got to get this out the way. I know I'm wearing a Jets jersey and a UCF hat. It's okay. It's okay to follow your college team and your NFL team. Perfectly fine. I know a lot of guys do it. Let's get started. Go.
All right, so you're going to need some vinegar. A cup of vinegar, a cup of water. You're going to need, this is lemongrass oil, lemon oil, tea tree oil, and I like to use frankincense because it has antiseptic properties. And we also have some dish soap, approximately, what was it? Two teaspoons.
Oh,
two teaspoons.
Yep.
2 teaspoons of dish soap. You can also use Castile soap.
That's right.
I didn't have any, so I just substituted for the dish soap.
Yep. So how do we do this? We just open this thing.
Yeah, I got a bottle from the dollar store,
This one.
and we have a
The
funnel.
bottle smells good. Have we ever used this before?
Yeah, because I use it all the time.
Oh, okay.
There's another mixture that was in here, which is what you smell, because it has the peppermint. We have
Okay.
a dog.
Yeah.
So you can also use the base of this recipe for the pet odor.
We'll teach you guys how to do as we're doing this, right?
Well,
yeah.
for the pet odor, you'll also need a cup of vinegar and a cup of water. But you'll just use, you'll use about 20 drops of lime, 20 drops of pine needle.
Okay.
5 drops of peppermint, but I love the peppermint smell, so I think I probably added maybe 10 to 20 drops
more.
of the peppermint.
Yeah, sprinkle that in there. All right, let's get started with this one.
And the frankincense, because it's just awesome. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're putting this together.
Can
Again,
I
it's
can
super
I
easy.
dump everything in there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start with the soap just because then.
No.
Okay.
Well,
Just the liquid would make it.
well,
No.
one liquid.
But then if you leave the soap for the end, and these things gonna get caught here. No.
All right, fine.
Okay, cool. So this is what 2 teaspoons of
Dish soap.
dish soap. So here, I don't need that.
Well, to kind of scrape
Okay,
it all
go
the,
do it. Yeah. I
because
see what
then
you're saying.
you're-
All right.
You know, you
Okay.
want to use it all.
That's
I
right.
mean,
There you go. Make sure 2 teaspoons is 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
There it is.
There.
Okay.
Okay.
Throw this in a little sink. All right. What comes next?
Okay. Take that.
Oh, and sink.
And the water or the vinegar. What do you
Okay.
think? Which is which?
Let me smell first. Let's see how my senses are. Oh, this is vinegar. 100% vinegar. And this is what? This is
1 cup.
1 full
1
cup of vinegar.
white vinegar.
All right. There it is.
And the water. Ooh, maybe we should put the.
No, because we're gonna
oils
put that in
and
there
then the
without
water.
this thing.
Oh wait.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
I think of everything. All right, here's the water. And what is this? Let me see. How much? 1 cup. There it is. Going right in there.
Now I do this all the time, and now you're making me rethink the process.
Okay.
You're
Don't worry
throwing me
about
off here.
I'll be. So we got.
Okay, let's start with the lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
And we're gonna add 16 drops of lemongrass.
16?
16.
Okay, 16.
16.
All right. I gotta concentrate.
Nothing's coming out.
I gotta. Okay.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take over.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16.
All right. So that's 16 of this thing called lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Okay. How many of the lemon?
40.
40? Oh, you got
40.
that. I'm not counting that. No. I'll drink my beer. All right.
Okay, so
And then
we might fast forward this.
Yeah, and before we fast forward, I want to let you guys know, subscribe to it. Yeah, go.
So go ahead, finish
40
your sentence.
of that.
Okay, 40.
Subscribe to our channel. Go, you can do that.
Okay.
I'll let them know. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the little bell, little icon there, and you'll be notified every time we upload a new video, which we're trying to do at least 1 or 2 a week. Now we're gonna fast forward.
Okay.
And we're back. All right, so we put 40 of this lemon, which is not the same thing as lemongrass for some reason. Okay.
So we're gonna use 30 drops of the tea tree.
We're gonna fast forward that too.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's very important overall that when you get your essential oils, that you get 100%, organic essential oils. You don't want any synthetic oils.
Yeah.
It's just gonna defeat the purpose.
Okay, so 30. I'm not gonna count.
30.
30. Okay, we're gonna fast forward this in 3, 2, 1, go. We're back. Okay, so we are back. Now we're gonna do the. I can't.
Frankincense.
Yeah, thank you. So how many of those?
15.
15. We don't have to fast forward that. We could do that. I could count half.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh,
There it is.
I added one for good luck.
I had an extra one, did I?
Yes.
What's the thing? What did I do?
What'd you do with it's in there?
Oh, here it is. Yes. Got a nice little sink in there. Now we gotta shake this thing up.
It smells good. I almost want to add peppermint to it.
No peppermint.
I
Shake
like
it.
the peppermint smell.
So we're gonna shake this. So give me some example where you want to use this.
Yeah, really shake it.
Oh,
I
okay.
use it everywhere.
That's right.
All the kitchen counters. I mean, just wiping up after messes. Even our tables, our dining room table.
We also got 2 kids, and they're known for making a lot of mess and they drop everything on the floor, and we normally use this to clean it. Okay, we're gonna smell it.
Let's take it for a test. Wait.
Take it for a test. Okay, she's gonna go get some stuff. Let me see. Nope, they didn't spray anything. There it is. Smells good. You guys should try this. It smells really good. I sprayed it here. Spray it right there.
Oh yeah.
All right. So I tell you what, I am gonna go get. You want me to get Friday and show them? Can we spray this on top of Friday?
No, we can't spray. We'll do a separate video for like dry doggy shampoo.
Yeah, Friday. By the way, so our kids decides to name him Friday because it's the best day of the week. That's right.
Okay, so
that smells so good.
Yeah. So like I said, for the pet odor smell, I use it a lot. That's what he smelled originally when he opened up this container.
He who, me?
You.
Oh, okay.
And that's what had the peppermint smell, the pine needle, and what else was it? The
Save
lime.
water, drink a beer. Sure as hell drink water.
And again, it doesn't hurt, to add some of the frankincense or the tea tree or eucalyptus, any of that stuff. They all have, antiseptic properties, and they're awesome for that. So,
okay, so I don't want to break anything. Thank you guys for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. And again, we're doing a giveaway. Not this product, because it's going to be a little hard to. You said.
Yeah, we're doing the giveaway for our facial moisturizer, anti-aging with the lavender,
and also the lip balm that we're doing that we got. That'll be amazing to send to people, but not this. It's going to be kind of weird to ship it on UPS or the post office.
Yeah, I guess we can send the bottle, but then you guys, just like a regular bottle.
Yeah,
and then
You guys can go and do your own thing. But if you subscribe to our channel,
this is an easy one.
We're gonna get 1 out of 10, meaning every 10 people that subscribe, we're gonna be sending a little gift to. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon, and we'll catch you guys to the next one. Take us home.
Bye.